It's 6 a.m. and this is what we woke up to. Yes, that dark stuff all down on the carpet is what you think it is. Ready? And not sure if you can catch the carpet. You step and it actually wrinkles. This is our living room, family room. Everything This is our kitchen. Full of water. The water's actually been making its way outside because it is so high. Living room. And this is the family room. Yeah, that's a lot of water. The office. The garage. This is the laundry room. If we look out here in the garage, you'll note that the water again was saying, "Flee, flee."
I don't get. No, look, there's water all over in here. Look.
Water.
It's like the water wanted to find my papers. Look. So I don't understand why there's water here. Where did this water come from?
Again, the water had to find its way out, and it did. Its sole job was to destroy everything and then flee.
Oh, honey. Who are you talking to?
This recording. So, we're making some phone calls to have somebody come and rescue us, but the entire
We need to get everything out of the house.
the entire thing down here is going to the front door. And here's the front door. Let's look out the front. Did the water try to leak here? Hey, look! It did. Oops, sorry, I put my finger over it. So this is out the front door. If you look, the water has escaped the house from every entrance. All right, so that's our Super Bowl morning. Hope yours is better.